Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a full, detailed review of the 2026 Ford Galaxie 500, a bold resurrection of a classic American nameplate reimagined for the modern era. The original Galaxie 500 was a symbol of 1960s era style, comfort, and V8 performance. For 2026, Ford brings back the name with a striking combination of nostalgic design cues, contemporary technology, impressive performance, refined interior, comfort, and confident presence on the road. In this review, we'll break everything down: exterior styling, interior experience, performance, handling, technology and safety, pricing, and even a few suggestions for what could make it even better. Let's get started. Exterior design, classic inspiration. Modern execution, the 2026 Ford Galaxie 500 greets you with a harmoniously retro-inspired front end that still feels thoroughly modern. Up front, a broad grille echoes the wide smile. Look of classic Galaxies, updated with polished chrome and subtle geometric detailing that feels premium without being flashy. Slim, fully LED headlights with modern light signatures flank the grille, a respectful nod to vintage round lamp placements, but executed with clean, contemporary technology. The long hood and sweeping roofline give the Galaxie 500 a beautifully proportioned silhouette reminiscent of classic cruisers. Sculpted bodylines run smoothly from front to rear, creating visual motion even when the car isn't moving. Available wide-body wheel arches and staggered alloy wheels, 19 in front, 20 in back on performance trims, add athletic presence without compromising elegance. At the rear, LED taillights stretch horizontally across the deck lid, visually widening the stance and hinting at classic 1960s tail lamp layouts in a sleek, modern graphic. Dual-polished exhaust outlets, quad tips on performance trims, reinforce the idea that this isn't just a beautiful cruiser. It's built for confident driving. Available exterior color palettes reflect both heritage and exclusivity, including deep metallic blues and rich heritage reds. Accented by tasteful pinstripes or two-tone roof options for buyers who want vintage flair with modern refinement. Interior retro sophistication meets modern comfort. Step inside, and you immediately notice how the 2026 Ford Galaxie 500 blends classic style with premium materials and thoughtful ergonomics. The cabin feels like a modern interpretation of a vintage lounge, comfortable, refined, and inviting dashboard and materials. The dashboard layout uses elegant horizontal lines that broaden the interior visually and echo the car's wide stance. Soft touch surfaces, rich stitched leather, and available real wood or brushed metallic trim give the cabin a premium feel. Heritage stitching patterns and subtle Galaxy-themed badges add character without feeling kitschy. Seating column front seats are supportive and plush, perfect for long highway cruising or city driving. Available leather upholstery with contrast stitching elevates the experience on higher trims, and heated ventilated seats are offered for maximum comfort. Rear seats are roomy for a personal grand tour, with generous legroom and comfortable contours for passengers on longer journeys. Driver's interface. A modern digital instrument cluster offers clear, configurable displays that mix classic analog-inspired graphics with modern data readouts, speed, trip info, navigation cues, and performance gauges. Higher trims offer an available head-up display, projecting essential info right into your line of sight. Infotainment column. The center console features a large, high-resolution touchscreen that handles navigation, media, climate, and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, making smartphone integration seamless. Integrated voice controls help reduce distraction, while a premium audio system, B&O or equivalent on top trims, delivers rich, immersive sound whether cruising through town or blasting your favorite road trip playlist. Performance and handling. Smooth, strong, and refined under the hood, the 2026 Galaxie 500 offers a range of potent, modern powertrains that balance relaxed cruising with confident acceleration. Engine options: turbocharged inline-6 standard, refined and responsive, providing smooth acceleration and strong mid-range torque for effortless passing. Available V8 performance variant. A modern, high-output V8 delivers a classic American muscle soundtrack with modern refinement and power delivery. Hybrid powertrain available for those seeking efficiency without sacrifice. A hybrid setup adds electric assist for instant torque and improved fuel numbers. These engines are paired with a smooth, advanced automatic transmission that chooses gears intelligently for comfort or performance, depending on driving mode. Driving. Dynamics handling for a car this size is surprisingly poised. The Galaxie 500's adaptive suspension system adjusts in real time, offering a cushioned ride in comfort mode or a firmer, more controlled feel in sport modes. Steering feel is confident and communicative, making the car enjoyable on both winding roads and straight highways. Braking performance is solid and predictable, with strong pedal feel and fade-resistant hardware, something you'll appreciate during spirited driving or long descents. Technology and safety. Next-gen features built into the 2026 Ford Galaxie 500 comes packed with tech and safety features to keep you comfortable and confident. Standard and available safety tech, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, perfect for highway driving. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian cyclist detection adds an extra safety layer in urban environments. Lane keeping assist and lane departure warning helps prevent unintended lane drift. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert, great for merging and parking. Traffic sign recognition alerts you to speed limits and warnings. 360-degree camera system and parking sensors, handy in tight urban spaces. Infotainment and connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth streaming and multiple USB-C ports built-in. Navigation with real-time traffic updates. Premium sound systems available on higher trims, available in car Wi-Fi hotspot and OT updates. Pricing and trim levels. The 2026 Ford Galaxie 500 is positioned as a premium midsize performance Grand Tourer. Base entry trim, strong. Standard features, refined power, wireless smartphone integration, modern safety tech, excellent value, mid-range trims, heated, cooled seats, larger infotainment screen, adaptive suspension, PREM, IUM, top trims, V8 power, advanced safety, performance tech, exclusive interior materials, unique exterior palettes, and heritage styling cues. Price starts comfortably in the mid-size segment and climbs into the near-luxury tier. On fully equipped performance trims, everyday usability, comfortable and capable despite its performance aspirations, the Galaxie 500 works beautifully as a daily driver. Its adaptive suspension soaks up imperfections. The cabin remains quiet even at highway speeds, and storage cargo space is thoughtful and practical. Whether commuting, running errands, or heading out on weekend adventures, the Galaxie delivers a confident and composed experience. Suggestions for improvement: a few enhancements could elevate the Galaxie 500 even further. More interior personalization options, unique heritage trim packages, color themes, and ambient lighting presets, augmented reality, UD. Project navigation cues directly on the windshield for enhanced safety and convenience. Track-focused. Performance package, adaptive. Performance brakes and sport-tuned suspension for driving enthusiasts. Final verdict: a modern classic reborn. The 2026 Ford Galaxie 500 strikes a beautiful balance between heritage and modernity. It honors a beloved nameplate with contemporary design, refined performance, advanced technology, and everyday usability, all wrapped in a premium, confident package. Whether you're a fan of classic Americana or a driver looking for a capable, stylish, and enjoyable Grand Tourer, the Galaxie 500 delivers a compelling blend of performance, comfort, and character. Thanks for watching this full, detailed review of the 2026 Ford Galaxie 500. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more in-depth reviews of timeless nameplates reborn, modern performance cars, and cutting-edge automotive tech, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and stay inspired.